Okay, now we have identified what is the action of push and pull. So my first example is moving a book in place on a table. Moving a book in a place on a table. Suppose the book in the place on the table. So there was the case of push and pull. It was the case of push and pull. Now second thing, opening or shutting a door. If you open and shutting the door, there was the two case. First, you apply the pressure on your side and the other pressure on the back side on the opposite side. So it was the thing of the push and pull. It was the action of the push and pull. Now the third point, a cricket ball hitting by a batsman. If a batsman was hitting a ball, so it was the action of push. It was the action of push. Now the fourth point, opening a drawer. If you open a drawer, so it was the case of the pull. It was the case of the pull. Now you know that what is the SI unit of the force. In a previous year or in 7th class, you have studied about the SI systems. SI means international systems, international units. You know that. So what is the SI system of the force? The SI system of the force is Newton. What is the SI system of the force? The SI system of the force is Newton. And we know that we have expressed the force as a formula. So what is the formula? F is equals to m into A. What is the formula? F is equals to m into A. What? The force F is expressed as a force. It was a force, and m is a mass. What is the mass? Object. The mass of the object is represented as m. What? M is a mass. It was the represent the object of mass. And A is acceleration. A is acceleration. Okay? A is in acceleration. So what is the formula of the force? The force is equals to mass into acceleration. And see that. And what is the SI unit of the force? The SI unit of the force is Newton, and it is represented as N. It is abbreviated as N, capital N. Okay. Now see on your book. So what is the thing over there? The force is measured in the unit is called the Newton, and SI unit of the force is Newton, named after the famous scientist Isaac Newton. ये जो आपका ऐसा यूनिट बन रहा है न्यूटन, ये एक फेमस साइंटिस्ट थे आइजैक न्यूटन, इनके थ्रू ये नेम पड़ा है. आपको ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी है. नाउ सी दैट द फोर्स टू एग्जिट देयर मस्ट बी द इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन एटलीस्ट द टू ऑब्जेक्ट. You have remember that when the interaction take over the two object, when it was in the same direction or is one in the opposite direction. Okay, stop.